Let's make an amazing lamb heart recipe. It's called deviled lamb heart, inspired by a Sri Lankan preparation, devil chicken. So it's like a stir fry, but have a nice kick of this chilies. We use dry red chili, chili flakes, and fresh green chili. Bit of ginger garlic paste, red chili powder. Saute it everything together, cook it till tender. Finish with soy sauce, ketchup, and we use onion tomato masala. Onion tomato masala is it's pre-cooked and kept. If you have this masala, you can make so many numerous dishes. The recipe will be in my YouTube channel, so check it out. So saute everything together, nicely dry. It's almost like an stir fry recipe, but has a nice coating consistency of sauce. It's really tasty. The texture of the lamb heart is similar to a tongue. If you try a beef tongue or a lamb tongue, it has a similar texture because it's very active muscle, but still is soft. It's good to try with a Kerala or Malabari paratha. Okay, enjoy this recipe and let me know the feedback.